over my truck today. We will talk a little bit about it, tell you what I've done, show you it's filthy inside and out. We'll just start from the front. The bumper's trash. I want to get a new one. Tired of this stock bumper, tired of the light bar. I'd like to get an SS front end, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I think there's a rattlesnake back here. Not too sure. I ain't gonna fuck with it. So, like I said, engine wise, nothing done for fuel or internals besides grade C head gaskets. But I do have this. It's a SDP twin turbo kit. Billet S475 over stock. Does the job. Get a better look at it. And I did scratch it, not there, that's some shit, but I scratched it there. The first night I had it, this clamp was not tight enough, and it blew the boot right off and scratched it with the bolt. It's pretty upset. Pretty freaking mad. But you live and you learn. Next, we'll go down here. I have a rough country lift kit. Nothing special. People don't like them. It's been great to me. I need to clean up the frame and powder coat it. This truck is from New England, so yeah, it's from New England, that's all. Toyo Proxies ST1s, the originals, on 20 by 10 motor metals. Don't know the offset or anything, but I went with these because I had mud tires before, I had all-terrains, I had street tires, and then I went with a little more aggressive street tire just because of the horsepower difference with the twin turbos. I would like to get into drag racing too. That's something I want to pursue. I want to dyno it and see what I'm making, and see, there's a cool thing in San Diego that is called Race Legal, and it's to get street racing off the streets, and it's an 1/8 mile drag in a parking lot, but it's all set up legit with a tree and everything. So moving on, we will look at the back. It needs to clean up. It's rough. It's used as a truck. The rim's got a 5-inch Flow Pro exhaust straight pipe, MBRP tip. Custom track bars from a shop back home. I don't know if you can see them. Welded on, no kit, no nothing, all made. I think they're 6.5 foot or something like that. Deep dish transmission pan for a BD Road Ripper 3000 transmission. The side frame mounted battery for the twin turbo kit. I'm not running a tailgate because it got smashed in, so that's another story for another time. Like I said, the truck's rusty, but AirDog 2 165. And yeah, that's about all I get done. I'm hoping to make somewhere in the 600 horsepower range with stock injectors. I know it's gonna be kind of tough. They're all fresh, fresh CP3. Hasn't blown up yet, knock on wood, but it's kind of where I'm at with it. I'll show you some videos of the truck doing some pulls, just driving around, coming home from work. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. Catch you guys later. I'll do another video soon.